Have you ever wondered what happens in those final, fleeting moments? What if the end isn't truly the end, but merely a transition? Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about life, death, and the enduring mystery of consciousness. Brain death, solidified by institutions like Harvard Medical School in 1968, marked a pivotal moment. It shifted our understanding from merely a stopped heart to the irreversible cessation of brain function. But what if even this definition is just a temporary marker, a boundary waiting to be challenged? In the 1940s, Soviet researcher Sergei Bryahonenko pushed the boundaries of what was deemed possible. Using a primitive heart-lung machine, he famously kept a dog's head responsive for hours after its body was gone. It was a horrifying spectacle, yet it forced humanity to confront a terrifying question. Was it truly alive, and more importantly, was it aware?
In the reservoir, where there is a steady flow of oxygen. The isolated head lives on for hours and reacts to external stimuli.
Decades later, the relentless march of science continued to chip away at our understanding of death. From American neurosurgeon Robert White's controversial monkey head transplants to groundbreaking modern research, the pursuit of extending life, or at least its components, never ceased. These early, often ethically fraught, experiments laid a strange foundation. Then came 2019, a year that shattered conventional wisdom. Scientists at Yale University achieved something truly astonishing. They revived cellular activity in pig brains hours after death. Using a system called BrainEx, they restored circulation and some neural function. This wasn't bringing a brain back to full consciousness, but it proved that brain cells could be coaxed back from the brink. The BrainEx project wasn't an isolated incident, it resonated with other perplexing observations. Imagine the final moments of life, a body shutting down, the heart ceasing its beat. Yet, even in this profound stillness, a flicker of activity might remain. EEG scans have captured startling bursts of electrical activity in the brain up to 30 seconds after cardiac arrest. Is this merely a random discharge, or something more profound? Could it be the final echo of consciousness, a last, desperate thought, a memory, or even a dream playing out in the void? The implications are staggering. If consciousness can persist even briefly after the body's demise, what exactly is it? This question has plagued philosophers and scientists for millennia. Modern theories, like integrated information theory, IIT, proposed by Tononi and Koch, offer a radical perspective. IIT suggests that consciousness isn't just a product of the brain, but a fundamental property of any system that integrates information in a complex way. This means consciousness might not require a biological body at all. It might only need data, patterns, and connections. Could our minds be more like intricate software, capable of running on different hardware, or even existing independently? This leads us to a chilling hypothetical. What if a brain could be sustained indefinitely outside its body? Imagine a futuristic lab, a brain suspended in a nutrient-rich capsule, its neural activity meticulously monitored. Could it think? Could it remember? Could it suffer? This experiment X_001 pushes the boundaries of both science and ethics. If consciousness is merely information, could we theoretically keep a mind alive without any sensory input, any connection to the world? The thought is both awe-inspiring and deeply terrifying. What kind of existence would that be? A mind adrift in an endless, silent void. Consider the profound horror of being aware, fully conscious, but utterly disconnected. Imagine a state where you can neither move, nor see, nor speak. Your internal world might be vibrant, teeming with thoughts and memories, but there is no way to express them, no way to interact with reality. It would be the ultimate prison. This isn't just a philosophical exercise, it touches upon the deepest fears of human existence. To be trapped between silence and eternity, a mind without a body, a soul without a voice. It forces us to confront the very essence of what it means to be human, and how deeply our consciousness is intertwined with our physical form and our ability to perceive and act. Perhaps the answers lie beyond our current understanding, In the very fabric of the cosmos. What if consciousness isn't just confined to biological brains, but is a fundamental property of the universe itself? Every thought, every spark of awareness, is a form of energy. And as we know, energy never truly dies, it merely transforms. The mind, in its boundless complexity, seems to refuse to be confined by simple definitions of life and death. It whispers of possibilities beyond our current comprehension, hinting that perhaps, in some form, it is always awake, always present. What do you believe? Join the conversation. What are your thoughts on the enduring mystery of consciousness? Do you think our minds can exist beyond the body? Share your theories and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to UNick for more mind-bending explorations, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the unknown.